Oh, hey, we're back. Hey everyone, back from a couple months down in Tennessee, going to some stuff for work. This is how I left the car. Put the truck in front of it. Now we've got to see if the truck still runs, but it's got quite a leak down there. Other than that, glad to be back. Today I think we're going to pressure wash the car and get the engine bay ready because the engine's ready to go on. We drove the Challenger today too, so let's throw a battery on the truck. Let's move the Dixon and let's start getting it out. Get it pressure washed, get it clean, get the engine ready to go in. Other than that, we've lost our spot. So we're gonna get right to it and just get right back to work. Hey, we're back once again. So I've just gotten back from my long trip. We did some stuff. Not sure if that video is still there, so I'm going to go through it again. So what I've did since I've been back is we've got the engine. We went and got a new distributor. My big issue when I was trying to get it was run. The box wasn't grounded. I guess this is, a lot of it's stainless, a lot of it's aluminum, so it's a lot of metal going into one. But now we have, to an extent, a fire. Sorry about that, a lot of jiggle on the camera. We've got the engine running. I've ran probably 1.5 tanks through it. It's got a bit of a mist, but it's still there. It's still running. Transmission's moving. So we're gonna let that idle in the back. That's what I've been doing while I've been working. Some other stuff we're starting on, a little dark. We're wiring. So we've got some new wires ran. We're running a lot of wires. So this is the whole order, everything we need for new wiring. Other than that, what we've been doing is cleaning up all the wiring. We rust treated that. Everything's in a nice connector. I've checked all the wires with my hand, making sure nothing's completely ripped, broken, poorly put together. That's one I haven't wanted to get to fix because I've got to get a new 8-pin plug. I found some on Amazon, Clasco, but they seem kind of cheap. So for now, we're letting that be. What I do have is a local auto body shop coming out to the shop, and they're gonna take a picture of the paint, and then they're going to tell me what the paint code is. What they can't do is, the guy told me they can fade the paint so it matched. Yeah, they can't do that anymore. So. Or you just didn't know at the time that they couldn't. So what we're going to do today is go through all the wiring again. We're going to keep running wires. We're going to try to pull the dash. The dash has been something I need to do but don't want to do. The dash is a mess of wires that need to come out. So we're going to do it anyway, even if we don't want to. So we're going to get going on that and just keep going on the car. The engine's going to run in the back. Keep filling it up with gas, keep going, it's just gonna keep running. So let's get on to wiring, let's see what we can get done for today. We got a full day, got half a weekend, it's Father's Day weekend. So we're gonna go as far as we can, get that. And then honestly, the engine's ready to go in. Some of the fun stuff that I got down when I was in Tennessee would be all of this. So we've got front disc brakes, V8 K-frame for an A-body. We've got entire front suspension. We've got extra everything. Got a power steering pump, or power steering itself. We have a pump that actually came with that engine over there. So if we ever wanted to go power steering, now we have a pump and we have a part that goes on the engine, so everything's there. But honestly, what I think I'm going to do, we're going to clean all this, get it painted, and then it's just going to sit in the corner until I'm ready to put a V8 in this car. And then whenever I decide to do something different with this, or freshen up the Slant 6, I will take off the entire front end of this car like they usually do. And somebody said spin jacks with wheels, like a trailer jack. To get the 4-bolt one from Harbor Freight that has 2 wheels, it'll bolt right up to the front of the frame like the bumper. So it just goes on and the car's still mobile. But when that comes, we're gonna just drop everything out the bottom, do everything that way. Other than that, I would like to paint the engine bay on the inside of the car. Mist green, which the car used to be. But that auto body shop has never gave me a call like they said they would. They've never showed up to take a picture of it. So we're just gonna keep waiting on them. For now, let's get back to wiring. Got a lot of wiring to do. Might just show what I'm doing, which is soldering everything, non-insulated connectors, and then we're shrink wrapping it. So we're not going cheap, we're not going bad. We're doing everything we can to make sure the car will last. I'm being very meticulous when it comes to chasing the wires. They even got just a bad feel in them. Yeah, we're taking them out. So we're trying to make this as good as it can, wire it one time and be done. So let's get back to it. Let's start wiring on the car.